Hello! In this video, I will teach you how to make explosive arrows and more with just a couple command blocks. I'll start by walking you through how to make explosive arrows. To create the arrow, we are going to use MC Stacker, which is a website that allows us to create complex commands much more easily. To start, we want to use the /give generator, then move down and select a tipped arrow. You can name it whatever you want. For this demonstration, I'm going to name mine Explosive Arrow and color the text red. I'm also going to check the Hide Others box here. It just cleans the text up a bit. Finally, you need to add a custom potion color and set it to whatever you want your arrow's color to be. Then we just copy the command and paste it into our command block. And there we go. One important thing to take note of is the custom potion color number. This is what we will use to distinguish between different types of arrows later. Now to make the arrow actually explode. The first command block here repeats. It is then looking to execute at an arrow that is in the ground with the color that we gave it earlier. It will then summon TNT at that location. The chain command block on top is essentially the same except with as instead of at, and kill at S instead of summoning the TNT. This will kill the arrow as soon as it lands. Let's get a bow and try it out. And there we go, exploding arrows. Moving on, we're going to look at something slightly different. This will show how you can add more detail to your arrows. These are sonic arrows. The difference is, instead of exploding, they give the glowing effect to everything in a 10-block radius. You may notice that we're not looking for the custom potion color this time. That's because we want it to apply to every spectral arrow. You can add some life to your arrow by having a sound that plays, or a particle that appears when it hits its target. Okay, now let's see how it all works together. And now you can see the creeper straight through the wall. Moving on, we're going to look at how you can make your arrows even better with particle trails. Here, I have the arrow light itself on fire using the /data merge entity command. So now the arrow will, well, be on fire. The command to cause a particle trail is the same as the one to cause the impact, except without the line checking to see if the arrow is in the ground. And now there's a nice purple particle trail following the arrow. Finally, I'm going to show how you can use both of these arrows together. We're going to use the sonic arrow to reveal the creepers, then switch to the explosive arrow and blow up the floor. Looks like one of them survived. There are plenty of other arrow types that you can make. For example, this is a fire arrow. This is another one that causes poison in an area. And finally, using my other timer video, this is a flare that calls in a supply drop. If you want to know how to make any of these or more, please let me know. And of course, if you like the video, please like and subscribe. Goodbye.